and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be talking about this CC stuff pack called Delicato Lounge by Deligracy and LittleDica. I think that the items in this CC stuff pack, honestly, they did such an amazing job. I'm absolutely obsessed with all of them, and I think you are going to be obsessed with them too. So I am going to leave the link to the CC pack down below that you can download into your game. It's obviously only for PC players, as you can't have CC on console, but still, if you do have a PC and if you do want some new exciting fresh content that is still quite maxis match, I find that's why I do like these kind of custom content packs by these creators, especially like LittleDica. This pack is so like maxis match, and it just matches all the other items in the game so perfectly, so I am obsessed. Now, as far as I am aware, because I've watched Deligracy's video on this, a lot of this furniture, if not all of it, is actually based off of the furniture that she actually has in her own house, which I think that is so cool. Imagine being so proud of your own house and like your own furniture to be able to create it as like a Sims pack for people to use. Like, I mean, I was thinking if I was to do that with my own furniture, I mean, the only thing I have is like IKEA drawers behind me and everything else is kind of like, you know, just meh. So I would love to see what Deligracy's house actually looks like on the inside. I mean, you can kind of see it in her videos and stuff. Like, she's showing quite a lot of that these days, like her house and her like personal life and things, which I love. I love Deligracy so much. So that's why I was so excited to see another pack. She already has a pack, I think. I think I have it in the game already as well. I have just so much custom content, so it's hard to know what I have and what I don't have. With this house, actually, I wanted to create kind of like an Australian inspired home, okay? So I was trying to, I googled an image of an Australian small little modern home, and this kind of shape came up. A lot of them have these little like garages. So I put that in there, and it did kind of remind me of like a small little Australian home, or maybe like a build that Deligracy or James Turner would have built. So I was really inspired just by Deligracy as a whole, you know. I can't wait to get into the furnishing of this house to show you how amazing these objects are, to be honest with you. But if you do like to freshen up your game with new custom content, definitely get this one. So I actually, the way I was building this house was actually kind of inspired by Deligracy as well, because she likes to put down a lot of her furniture before she actually goes in to put the windows and things like that, just to visualize where things will go. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, but we're moving on to the actual items in the game. So you can see there are such cute little pieces in this. I mean, I think there's only like 34, I say only 34, but even kits that the Sims release have less things than this. So I'm just putting out quite a lot of these things here to kind of map out how the sitting room and the layout will work. So I will be changing all the colors. I'll be showing you things in detail as we move forward in the video. I'm just adding this table from, I think, the Dream Home Decorator pack, because I thought that really suited actually this kit. The Dream Home Decorator stuff really suited this kit. I'm adding windows now, but later on in the video you will see it further on. There is actually a window in this kit. Sorry, not this kit. This is not a kit. This is a CC stuff pack. Sorry. There is actually a window. I don't know whether that window she has in her own house, but it's a lovely window. So I will be replacing that further on in the game, but I just haven't realized it until later. So apologies for that. But yeah, I'm just working on the back of the house before we get into the furnishing, because as I said, I only placed down some of the furniture just to make sure that the room actually makes sense and physically kind of works. I am also adding like this little sunken kind of area in the back, because I see a lot of like James Turner and Deligracy doing cool things like that. I never do cool things like that. I mean, I'm not a builder, so anything you see me do, like, I'm struggling. Like, you may think that you're watching this like all sped up and she's like, oh my god, she's so cool, she knows how to build. I don't. Half of what I'm doing, I'm actually doing for the first time, because I make a lot more Sims than I do builds, and usually when I play like rags to riches, so their houses are awful anyways. So I do enjoy building, but I'm not very good at it. So bear in mind, this is all experimental, okay? But I also did put a pool in the back because they always have pools in their games. So I was like, why not? Why not do a pool as well? I am also using this wallpaper from the new Desert Luxe kit. Love that wallpaper. I mean, it's concrete, beautiful. And then I'm using neutral colors here as well. And actually the eco lifestyle wallpaper as well suits this pretty well. Anyway, so this is the little console table. I think that's what they're called. I don't know whether that's what it is called. But look at the swatches of some of these things. That purple swatch, the attention to detail, Oh my god. I don't know. As soon as I saw that purple swatch with that light tone wood, I just think in my mind I was like, wow, if my house actually looks like this, I think I will cry in my sitting room like every day. Anyways, I tried to play around with a few different I guess layouts of the sitting room. But in the end, I kind of go for a very simple, kind of very clean, very tidy aesthetic of a sitting room. There is so many beautiful objects, though, to be fair. So many beautiful objects. I don't want to be shady. There is one object that I don't like, and I will show you that in a minute. I don't know when it is about to pop up, but there's one thing I don't like. But this mirror, though, beautiful, stunning. Oh my god, this mirror, I think I'm going to use this in every single build, and you best believe it. Now, that little cushiony bit that I put down there, that little poof thingy, that actually tucks in underneath the table, and I actually forgot when I was building this. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen now of what that actually is meant to look like. They're meant to all tuck in underneath the table, and that's actually really cool. Here I am struggling putting down this lemon plant for the longest time. I couldn't figure out where to put this lemon plant. Now this, okay, I know... Sorry, this plant right here, this green one, I don't really like it. It looks too flat. I mean, I like the vase, not the plant. I'm so sorry. Everything else I love, but I just can't. I couldn't. I was trying to figure out, I was like, do I like this plant? Do I not? But the more I looked at it, it's so flat. Like, I don't like plants like that. I mean, I like the ones that are actually built. Now, the paintings, the paintings remind me of screen prints, which is what I did in college, and I am totally obsessed with that. Those kind of block colors, that would be like a screen print, or even like a mono print, or any kind of prints like that as well. I'm just this vase actually. I kind of had this idea of putting little sunflowers into it, just to make it actually look like it's, you know, it's a vase that has something in it, because I just don't like the way it's so empty. So I'm putting little sunflowers in there. I don't know, it kind of looks a bit weird, but anyways. And then I'm just plopping down some of these beautiful curtains from the desert pack, because I think the desert pack with this kit and also the dream home decorator works beautifully. So definitely really enjoy that. So I'm just furnishing just the kind of foyer area of the house here. I will skip on pretty quickly. I'm not going to show you the upstairs how I'm furnishing it. We'll obviously see it at the very end, but look how gorgeous. And the little spotlights, actually, the spotlights over the paintings, oh my god, such a great idea. So I've really enjoyed this. Anyways, that is a finished build. As I said, I didn't show you the whole thing. It's just kind of all about the lounge room, but I am obsessed with the way this house turned out. I was kind of shocked with myself to be able to create something like this, to be fair. I guess the main focus of this house is the sitting room, and look how gorgeous it is. Like, if this is what Deligracy's house looks like, then oh my god, can I please visit? Can I go to your house? Look how stunning and vibey and cozy and so serene this scene looks. I don't know, it's just so artistic and so cozy and vibey. This is the little foyer area upstairs. I created just like a little desk table, and then this is the bedroom. So again, very neutral vibes, very earthy tones in this part of the house. I used some more items from that pack upstairs, but again, the focus is the sitting room, so that's why that's the main part of the video. That's just a little back area and the pool, because I was pretty proud of myself for the back area, and even like the architecture, I was very proud. I don't know, but anyways, guys, that is pretty much everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little build showing off this amazing CC pack. Like, genuinely, I know not many people like CC in their game, but just look at the quality of these items. They don't look like they're CC, to be honest with you. It's so Maxis match that anyone could give this a try, so I highly recommend. I'm going to leave it linked down below for you so you can check that out yourself. I have had a few questions recently on my videos asking how to add CC into your game, so I might create a quick video just showing you that as well if you have any questions, but please feel free to ask. Anyways, that is pretty much everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!